All right, we have a 2015 Honda Goldwing F6B. We're going to replace these ugly orange turn signals with some clear ones that have an amber bulb. So here we go. If you'll just remove this little nut underneath here, it'll get rid of the mirror. All you have to do is remove the nut, pull the mirror off, and then we start with those 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. We'll remove those and be right back. Okay, we have those 3 little bolts loosened up here. The front of the assembly moves back and forth. Now we just need to counterclockwise turn this to remove the stock bulb and the wiring harness, and then we can change this out. All that is just a replacement one that's clear, has a little smoke to it, which will probably look pretty cool, and an amber bulb that goes in there. They did send an entire wiring harness with the amber bulb, so we'll have to get back in there, disconnect that in order to attach it to the new assembly. Okay, this is the old amber turn signal cover, the new smoke one. What the new one didn't give was these little sponge seals. So there's a couple on top, one all the way around. We will remove that and maybe put a little adhesive to run that around on the smoke cover. So we gotta scrape the foam off the old cover. I'm using a little box knife, and then I'm going to use some Gorilla Glue that works with foam. We'll see how that works to get those back on the new cover. Swap out the new bulb with the amber bulb. You do not need to pull out this wiring assembly that goes in here. Just swap out the bulb. Replace the clear bulb with the amber bulb. Since the cover will be light smoke or clear, and works just fine. We wipe that down, make sure there was no oils left on it. I'll clean this assembly all up and get all the other parts back in. Got those 3 screws back in there, and we'll put the mirror back on. It goes through this little hole right here. There's a little knob on the bottom of the mirror with some threads, and you just slide that in there, and off you go. Tighten that up on the bottom, and it should be good to go.